Hi Megan, I looked at your document. It is set up properly. You do have your fonts outlined and you are in CMYK color mode, which is good. There are some issues with the text. Like this is hanging out by itself. Either make it bigger or smaller. Centering this would be good. Maybe bumping everything down, at least these two text boxes down would be good. It looks like you're missing Australia here. This is too close to that circle, modern range of the thylacine. I'm not sure which one's the range color. Maybe it's the green. If it is the green, put a little box here with the green in it. Maybe having larger headers for your sections would be good. Maybe in white or maybe the same text but smaller. You could have estimated population here. You could say modern range here. This could maybe be, these two things could be swapped. And this could be maybe a little bit bigger than that, and that could be smaller, just to make this a little bit more important. This is just kind of an interesting piece of information. There are some errors in the text that, there should be a space here. Australia should be capitalized. Tasmania should be capitalized. There's a space in between here, the thylacine and the comma. There should be a comma here after 1930. This looks, actually I don't mind this, although you do have kind of like a timeline thing here, which doesn't seem like you need that. But I don't know if you needed, like, if you were going to put years in here, but maybe just get rid of this line altogether and then just color these different colors like in a pattern or something, and then make sure that the text is exactly the same size, same leading, same font obviously, and just keep it like that. And I would take the stroke off of this box and maybe narrow the box a little bit, and you could take off this from Wikipedia. I put periods after that. So there's some spelling errors. It seems like that it was a little rushed. And I don't think you need the black strokes on your different sections. And I almost wonder if this should just be kind of part of this section, but maybe like in a different color font or something. And then this, so that would mean that this color would be this color. So this section would be this dark brown, would be this whole area here, and then you'd get rid of this box around your text and you could just make the text like white or something. Yeah, so anyway, you could add in like some, like what Joey said, maybe some I don't know, handprints or something that you could put in here that were just one here, like maybe skewed, maybe like one over here skewed, one here, or like, and then maybe like move this down a little bit and then maybe put one here or something, just so you kind of had them throughout. Maybe like add in a little bit of like kind of a rusty red would look good. So anyways, I'd say you have a good start here, and I think it's 75% of the way there, but it needs another 25 to 30% more work to just get it to be where it should be. Anyway, if you want to get together and work on this, just let me know, and we could probably work on it after our final meeting time in illustration 2. All right, talk to you later.